This job is in need of massive repair. This is an immense amount of mold all throughout the ceiling, all throughout the walls, water damage, more mold. I'm sure we're gonna run into some issues with the subfloor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna gut this entire thing. Keep the tub because she likes this tub. It's a good cast iron tub. This was originally built as a handicap accessible room. We don't need that function anymore. Let's get to it. Holy cow, all right, it's already starting off good. Look at that.
There are trucks, then there's deep professional
like a little insect trap. It's a bit dusty. Breeze outside. I look like a bird. All right, now we got the first bit of demo done. No more mold. Here we are with Justin with JS Plumbing.
That's right.
Hooking me up with a diverter. Justin does pretty much all of my plumbing.
They left the waistline wide open, and the sewer smell gas would come up. It would feed also into her wall.
So her walls essentially potentially could leak through.
Yes.
Smelled of poop.
Exactly.
Sweet.
Cut it out and cap it. That's the trick.
Perfect. Awesome, man. And hey, look, and you got some good copper now.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a win-win. And that's now nice and capped off. You ever had a burger?
Just a dirty hamburger.
Just a dirty burger. But just remember to cut it. Wanted to address the issue here with the window. The exterior of this house is brick, so in order to move that window is more money the customer is willing to spend. If this was like a sided house, it'd be a lot easier to just kind of move it over and reside the other side. But due to that, it is going to stay where it is, and it's not a priority to the customer living here. I am aware that's not centered with the wall. Let's move on. I'm sure I do. Good. Luxury vinyl tile ends up looking like it has a grout line that's gray. These do look pretty good for what it is. Whole bathroom, like $150. This is tight. Look at this.
Yeah, I don't know if baseboards fit.
Here's Tim here. He just refinished this tub with the glazing. This is our end result here. The new tub glazing looks really good. We got our simple subway tile installed. I know the windows probably driving everyone nuts. This is a budget remodel. So LVP flooring on the floor and just got our little trims on here. So nothing crazy, but a very, very big upgrade from what it was.